Hi, what's your name?
My name is Sarah. Yours?
I'm Lily. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Are you new here?
Yes, I just moved here last week.
Oh, welcome. Which school do you go to?
I go to Bright Future School.
What about you?
I go to the same school.
Which grade are you in?
I'm in grade 4.
Me too. We might be in the same class. That would be great. Do you like school?
Yes, I love English and art.
What do you like?
I like maths and reading stories.
That's cool. Can we be friends?
Yes, I would love that.
Yeah, let's be friends.